French macarons. Before getting started with the recipe, check whether you have these mentioned ingredients. First, we need to sieve icing sugar, powdered almond and cocoa powder. If you feel like your almond is not powdered enough, you can grind all these ingredients together few minutes before sieving. Then we need to add a pinch of salt into egg whites and beat until they become foamy. Thereafter, gradually add sugar and beat until peaks form. When egg whites are ready, we can gradually add our prepared dry ingredients into this. Then we need to put this mixture into a piping bag with 1/2 inch plain tip. This way it's very easy to pour the batter. Now we can pipe the batter into 1 inch size circles. Make sure you at least keep 1 inch space apart. After that, we need to tap the baking tray few times like this to remove air bubbles if there's any. Then let's allow this to sit for 20 to 30 minutes until a skin forms on top of these circles. After that, we can bake them around 10 to 15 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. When they cool down completely, we can remove them from the baking sheet. Now we are going to make the chocolate ganache filling. For that, melt chocolate in whipping cream. This needs to be completely cooled down before using. After that, we can fill them with chocolate ganache and sandwich together. It's better if you can select similar sized ones to sandwich together. It's always a good idea to stand them at least one day before serving. This way allows to blend the flavors, making them tastier. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you soon with another delicious one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.